welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I greatly appreciate it. So if you saw my video a little earlier, you saw that I unboxed a new box to our channel, Good Vibe Scribe, the September 2019 box. But as you can see from the title down below, and as I said in the video, I also have the October box. So we're gonna dive in here and see what the October box is all about. This is the box that if you were to order right now, you would receive. So we're gonna dive into it in just a minute. Again, thank you so much for being here. I greatly appreciate it. If you are new, please consider hitting that subscribe button. We do all kinds of fun unboxings, and I mean unboxings of lifestyle boxes, beauty boxes, snack boxes, everything. We do it all here. So go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Also, don't forget we do have giveaways going on, so you definitely want to be on the lookout for those. There are usually always giveaways going on our channel. Not to mention our fun live streams every Wednesday night. So we're going to get in here into the October 2019 Good Vibe Scribe box. Again, to remind you guys, this box is $35 a month. You can save if you go ahead and prepay for six months or 12 months. I will put a link down below if you would like to sign up. I also have a promo code, Southern Mom 10. It's going to be in all caps because for October, all of their profits, I said this in my first video, but I do want to say it again because I think it is absolutely amazing. And this is obviously the October box, but all of their profits from the October 2019 Good Vibe Scribe box will be going to Hurricane Dorian disaster relief funds. I just absolutely think that is amazing. I just have no words, honestly, for that because it's just phenomenal. This is a fairly new subscription. They've had 2 to 3 boxes and they're already donating one whole month's profits to the disaster relief, which I think is just so admirable and amazing. So, but let's get in here and see what we have. Good vibes for October 2019. The first box, the September box that I posted just a little bit earlier, was actually really great. I mean, with the mermaid soap and the coasters and the glass straw and just the different things, the goat milk lotion. It was a really nice box. You do receive 5 full-size products in every box, so that's awesome. Ooh. Okay. So we have our little pamphlet here. So it's the October 2019 featured products overview because they do go over all of the products. But right here on top, kind of covering everything, I see like some plaid plushiness. So I'm thinking we may have like a blanket or a scarf. It's awfully fluffy. So we'll find out. So let's get started. So this is it's a Lido classic plaid blanket scarf. So I was kind of right. I said blanket or scarf. Well, it's a blanket scarf. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Okay, first of all, y'all, this thing is so darn soft. Like, oh, I just want to take a nap now. Oh, wow. Okay, so yeah, you know, okay, so this is only halfway. It can still go even more. Y'all see this? Like, this is like for real, like a, ooh, nice and cozy scarf. It is so soft too, y'all. It is so soft. I love this. Can I just take a nap? So they specialize, Lido Accessories specializes in bohemian style bralettes and accessories founded in 2011 by a family of 4. They've become a premier brand that focuses on trendiness and high quality fashion goods. We are totally feeling the fall vibes with this gorgeous plaid blanket scarf featuring plenty of generous and soft fabric. You can wrap this scarf in multiple different ways for the perfect autumn accessory. Pair it with your favorite boots, curl up by the campfire, sip your pumpkin spice latte, draped in this beautiful, cozy, and soft blanket scarf. Don't you just love fall? I do. And I totally would have a pumpkin spice latte. Like, oh, y'all, it is so soft. It really is. And this thing is like, oh. Okay. Let me get on with the unboxing. Seriously, if y'all could feel how soft that was, oh my gosh. Okay, and then the next product is from Generation B. It's a lip balm. It says Generation B is a full line of elegant bath and body products. From their elegant soaking salts to their incredible creams and moisturizers. They founded their brand on the belief that the highest quality ingredients make the best products. By replacing the chemical additives and harmful detergents with bee pollen, essential oils, and natural ingredients, these products leave your skin feeling moisturized and healthy. Founder Michael personally collects the honey, pollen, and wax that go into these amazing products. Wow. Your softest lips ever start here. Generation B has removed all of the chemicals and toxins, leaving only locally collected beeswax from the Generation B farm, shea butter, coconut oil, a natural preservative, and essential oil. So it looks like there may have been 4 different scents, flavors. I don't pink grapefruit, key lime, peppermint, and sweet orange. And I have something stuck on my nail. I got key lime right there. So this is always a great time of year to have lip balms. You can never have too many lip balms this time of year when it starts getting cooler and breezier and things like that. Absolutely. So I'm loving that. And then, oh, I'm excited. We have some earrings. Mata Traders Diamond Hoop Silver Studs. Mata Traders began as 3 best friends with a serious case of wanderlust who set out on an around-the-world adventure and landed in Mother India for 4 months. Enamored with the culture, markets, and colorful textiles, they vowed to make the country a part of their life story. These diamond hoop silver studs combine clean lines and simple shapes for a subtle and classic look. So let me get them out of here. Oh, okay. Now these are actually made in India by artisans who receive a fair wage at work in safe conditions. So that's awesome. I'm glad to see that. These are, I saw diamonds, so it threw me off, but it's because of the shape inside the hoop. Aren't those so pretty? And they are subtle and classic, just as they described. Like, absolutely. Those are gorgeous. Oh, I love those. Those with the scarf. Oh, okay. All right. Oh, now this next product, y'all. What? Okay. Things Uncommon Pumpkin Souffle 8-ounce Candle. Things Uncommon handcrafts their products with natural ingredients and hand wrap each with natural fabrics and papers. Their U.S. grown soy candles are made with the highest quality essential and fragrance oils and have extra long burn times. All of their products are eco-friendly, phthalate free, and made with love in Georgia. Add a farmhouse style accent to your decor when you set out this charming soy wax candle contained in a rustic mason jar. And y'all know I love that because I am, Southern. And boasting a rich scent that lends welcoming dimension to your space. A kitchen favorite, fresh pumpkin and mouth-watering butter, sugar, and spices create an irresistible bakery sensation just in time for fall. And y'all, it is so darn adorable. Like, what? Oh my goodness. And Things Uncommon. Y'all, I'm gonna tell you something. If that is not fall in a jar, I don't know what is. Oh my God. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. Okay. It is stinking adorable and it smells fantastic. All right, so we got one more product. I'm telling you, the scarf, the earrings, we got some lip balm. Oh man, okay. Primal Elements Pumpkin Soothing Face Mask. Multi-mineral kale and clay face mask. This is 4 uses on here. Right there. Pumpkin Soothing Mask. Our purifying mineral mask is formulated with zinc, copper, and magnesium and is suitable for all skin types. This unique formula aids cellular respiration and provides antioxidant protection by shielding against free radicals. The addition of active ingredients reveals a fresh, clear appearance to the skin. Natural kale and clay is a deep cleansing clay that is full of nutrients that leaves the skin feeling clear and cool. This aids in smoothing deep wrinkles, improving skin texture, and the appearance of vital, younger-looking skin. This unique mask features pumpkin powder that is rich in vitamin A, which is a skin healer, and vitamin C that is a powerful antioxidant. Pumpkin enzymes remove dull skin cells, revealing moisturized, soothed skin. It says, apply to clean and dry skin, leave on for 15 minutes. Do not allow to dry completely. Rinse well with warm water. And like I said, it says right here, 4 uses. So that is awesome. So we got a pumpkin mask. Yay. That is multi-use. This pumpkin souffle candle. What? These adorable earrings. Gorgeous. The key lime lip balm. And it's the beeswax. And y'all, the scarf. It literally, y'all, it seriously is, it's that soft. Like, I'm just like, oh, go to sleep now. Okay, so that was the October 2019 Good Vibe Scribe. Like I said, all of the information and a link will be down below. Let me know your thoughts. I love, this is amazing. First of all, the scarf is super comfy and soft and just adorable. Then you got, not only is this just a mason jar, it's a mason jar candle that smells like fall. So that's like my love right here. We got earrings, we got lip balm, we got face mask. Knocked it out of the park. Awesome. Loved this box. So let me know your thoughts down below. Like I said, I hope you all again have a wonderful day and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.